Hello everyone, how are you today? Hopefully you're doing well. We'll continue with our lesson plants. We'll talk about leaves today. Leaves of a plant have the important function of carrying out photosynthesis, which is the process of making food. Leaves come in different shapes. Most of them are flat and broad, which allows the leaf to collect the most sunlight possible. Chlorophyll, which is found in the chloroplast of the leaf, traps the energy of the sun. When water enters the plant through its roots, it is transported through the xylem tissue in the leaf veins. The top leaf surface has a waxy cuticle, which is a waterproof layer that prevents moisture from evaporating. Leaves get carbon dioxide from the air. Air enters and moves out of the plant through tiny pores on the underside of the leaves called the stomata. A single pore is called a stoma. The plural one is stomata. Each stoma is controlled by the guard cells. These guard cells control the flow of the water. For example, when the leaf has plenty of water, the guard cells swell and pull the stomata open. This allows water and air to leave the plant. The loss of water through a plant's leaf is called transpiration. So the guard cells control the stomata in the process of transpiration. Let us say when the plant is low on water, there is not enough water, the guard cells shrink. This causes the stomata to close, which prevents water from escaping. So as we said earlier, that leaves of a plant, they have important function of carrying out photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is the name of that process in which plants make their own food. Now we will talk about how the process of photosynthesis happens. Now that the plant has all the raw materials for performing photosynthesis available, carbon dioxide and water enters the chloroplast in the plant cell. Chlorophyll will now capture the sunlight. It will trap the energy from the sunlight. So in this way, using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, the plant leaves make sugar and oxygen. The sugar that is made is transported to all the plant cell by the phloem tissue. We know that phloem tissue is a two-way transport, which was transporting the sugar when it is made by the leaves. The extra sugar is stored as starch, which the plant can break down for food, while oxygen leaves the plant through the stomata as a waste product. The sugars produced during photosynthesis are used by most organisms for energy. The breakup of these sugars is known as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the name of that process in which the cell uses oxygen to break down the sugars that were produced in photosynthesis. Cellular respiration occurs in mitochondria, where oxygen combines with sugars to release the energy that can be used by the plants, and then so on. This energy is transformed from plants to animals and to humans. Cellular respiration is a process which happens not just only in plants but also in animal cells. During cellular respiration, plant and animal cells produce carbon dioxide and water as waste products, which are then released back into the air.